Hello folks, this is Sammy from RV Ready in Lake Elsinore, California. Today I'm going to show you a video for a 2023, please don't mind the noise, Gray Wolf by Forest River, model number 29TE. This unit has a tempered glass door on both sides, outside speakers as you can see, alloy wheels, LCI step, and look at this kitchen. Woo! Nice. Look at that. Look at this refrigerator. Look at that. Wow. Pretty cool. Okay, it's got a rear rack. Camera comes installed already on it. And it has a ladder LCI bracket. I can't go around the other side because it's pretty tight here, but let's go inside. These are the new colors for 2023. Lighter wood, very nice countertop. This is the app. Turn that on, you connect to this panel, and you get to operate your slides, your awning, your lights from your phone. Huge U-shaped dinette and 40-inch drawers. Big, nice. It's got a jackknife sofa. These are Cherokee exclusive zebra shades. And what they do is they make light, let light in and then black out. This is a 10.7 cubic 12 volt refrigerator. Very nice, just pretty. They did a good job this year. Pantry's nice. 200 watt subwoofer, ready for Wi-Fi. And this is the 15 BTU air conditioner. I'm gonna walk towards the bedroom now. Nice walk around area. Queen bed. I got USBs here. I got USBs there. And you can get in the bathroom from two doors. There's one door because it has its own outside door. I have a max air vent. Big shower. Nice air. I mean, this is a lot of room here in the bathroom. Look at that. Nice. I go out this way. I forgot to show you one thing here. This is the controller for the tankless water heater now. No more tanks, instant hot water. And this is what makes this floor plan unique. 3 bunks, lots of storage. This ladder comes out. I have USB here, USB here, and USB here. Also here. So nobody's fighting with nobody. All the kids get their own USBs. So here it is, folks. This is a 29TE Gray Wolf 2023 model, RV Ready, Lake Elsinore.